Let the problem be this. The function f maps close 0 to 3 to r defined by this, and which of this is true? Let first draw box X. Okay, this 0 to 1, this 2, and this 3. This 1, this 2, and this 3. So box X from 0 to 1, this 0, okay, this, because it cannot take 0 from 0 less or equal to x less than 1. 1 to 2, this can take this 1, this 2, so this can take 1, so this value. So 1 less or equal to x less than 2, that equals to, what is this? This 1, and 2 x less than 3, and this box X be 2, so this 2 to 3, this be 2, because it cannot take the value 3. So this is the box's function. Now we draw this. Now here the problem with this 0, this 1, this 2, and this 3. What is this? This fx, that equals to x minus box X, that equals to x for 0 less or equals to x less than 1, because box is 0. For 1 less or equals to x less than 2, this is nothing but x minus 1, and from 2 less or equals to x less than 3, this is nothing but x minus 2, and at x equals to 3, this be 0. So from 0 to 1, this is nothing but y equals to x. Okay, so this. Now from 1 to 2, this nothing but x minus 1, and 2 to 3, so this, and at the point 3, this value is 0. So this is the graph, this. Okay, so easily we see that point of discontinuity will be this. Why? From, if you choose from this 1 plus delta to 1 and this 1 minus delta to 1, so these two are different value. Okay, therefore this is the point of discontinuity. Similarly this also the point of discontinuity. Now we evaluate and show this. Limit x tends to 1 minus fx. What is the value of this? It's nothing but x. So limit x tends to 1 minus fx, this is x, so x that equals to 1, not equals to limit x tends to 1 plus fx, that equals to limit x tends to 1 plus, what is the fx? Nothing but this x minus 1, that equals to 0. So x equals to 1 be the point of discontinuity. Next, limit x tends to 2 minus fx, that equals to limit x tends to 2 minus, what is the fx? This 2 minus, so this, that is x minus 1, that equals to 1, not equals to limit x tends to 2 plus fx, that equals to limit x tends to 2 plus, what is the 2 plus? This 2 plus, so this x minus 2, so that equals to 0. Again x equals to 2 be the point of discontinuity. Limit x tends to 3 minus fx, what is the value of this? this equals to limit x tends to 3 minus this is x minus 2, that equals to 1 not equals to f3 because this equals to 0. Therefore x equals to 3 also be the point of discontinuity. Okay. If you cannot calculate this, we also say from this picture also, because this is the point of discontinuity, this is the point of discontinuity, and this is the point of discontinuity. Limit x tends to 0 plus fx, that equals to limit x tends to 0 plus, what is the fx? This x, that equals to 0, that equals to f0. Therefore at x equals to 0, this is continuous. So function is continuous between close 0 open 1, okay, 1 open 1 2 open and 2 open 3, and this type of function is called piecewise continuous function. Therefore this function is discontinuous obviously, but it is piecewise continuous. This type of function is called piecewise continuous. Okay, so this option is true option, piecewise continuous on 0 3. Oh, continuous? No, this is not continuous. This is discontinuous on 0 3 because point of discontinuity will be 1 2 and 3, and none of this about this false statement. If you like my video, please share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you.